What to look for when considering a dentist. There are some people who will choose a dentist in a casual way, maybe because the office is close by or because they like an ad that has been running in the paper or on television. The truth is, though, that your dentist can have a major effect on your well-being, so it is going to be worth it to do the research before deciding. Whatever your reason is for looking for a dentist, use these tips and tricks to help you find the one that is the most likely to keep your teeth healthy and strong. When you are hoping to seek out a dentist, you should visit at least a few different offices in your local area. With larger offices, you may only be able to talk to the staff when you go in, but this can still tell you quite a lot. You may, however, prefer a smaller practice where you can meet the dentist personally. If you want to test out a dentist, a good way to do that is to schedule a checkup and a cleaning. You'll get a good idea of how comfortable you are with both the dentist and the office as a whole when you do this. Some people wait until they have major problems like toothaches to seek out a dentist. In this case, you may have to find someone who has an open appointment in the near future. What's important, though, is that you need to pick out a dentist before you are forced to from an emergency. An experience that can be stressful to anybody is going to the dentist, but to those with dental phobias it can be really bad. There is plenty of fear of the dentist to go around, and it might be common in children, but it is not uncommon in adults. Root canals make a lot of people quite nervous, and having a tooth pulled does the same thing. If you or someone in your family has this issue, it's especially important to choose a dentist who's sensitive to such matters. Technical skills are important, but to make the procedure less frightening, it needs to be explained by someone who is gentle. Some dentists offer nitrous oxide or sedation to patients who have extreme phobias. Most dentists may run their offices in a similar way, but there are some who schedule appointments and office visits differently. Getting scheduled for an appointment to visit your dentist should not be a big deal. A dentist that is known for doing good work may be booked ahead and may not have an opening as early as you would like. Find out the general office hours the dentist will be available and whether or not they take special circumstances into consideration. Inquire as to the waiting time for a general checkup or teeth cleaning. Find out if they take emergency issues into consideration during the time when they are not open for business. In order to have a pleasant and gratifying experience with your dentist, make sure you have checked out all of these points. If you want to have healthy teeth and gums, choosing the right dentist is important. Not being satisfied with the dentist you have been going to is one of the reasons a new one might be needed. There are many more tips than this video gave, which can help you, if a new dentist is what you are searching for. You should look at the dentist's experience and reputation, but also trust your gut feelings.